the church neglect its mission and the gospel go unheard? Help us witness to your purpose with renewed integrity, with the Spirit's gifts empower us for the works of ministry. Lord, you call us to your service. In my name baptize and teach, that the world may trust your promise, life abundant meant for me. Give us all new fervor, draw us closer in community with the Spirit.